Yeah. One time.
Hey. So I'm sitting here chilling on a good Friday night, and I'm sitting to my boy, and my boy name is Mike. And I told him what's up. Last song I asked him, can he kill the cup? Ah, damn. No, I'm looking at his cup, still got drinking, and what the fuck is up? And see, this boy is fucked up. I'ma kill this right now and go and fill another cup. Hot damn. Okay, he just killed it. Now I feel like everybody's in the building. This me, knowing how I kill it. Mike said he rap too, so I hope he don't spit it. Cause I'm ready to say something. Mike, let me hear that verse to my introduction. Cause if you got it written, or at least part of it, well, let me hear it. Yeah, let me hear that starter kit. See if we can finish it. Straight up diminish it. Cause when my project come out, best believe it will be killing it. My project is coming, and yes, it's coming out. And when it do, it's like a crash test. Cause we gon' dummy out. Here to let you know while you still live at your mommy's house. Say you claim that you rich, but you know what you about. I'm tired of these dudes playing these games, swearing that they gangsters, knowing that they ain't. I'm in the paint, I'm in the middle, I'm where it hurts. And guaranteeing I'm about to bring the worst. Anyone messing with me, that's a problem. And I'm the type to say, put down your guns, put your hands up to solve them. But why fight? Just chill, cause you the one that get it poppin', I ain't talking pills. I'm too hard and this a dig out. Here to let you know I stay hungry, where the pig out. This me and I'm just chillin', no big house, but blessed for what I got. And that's just how I get down. Living in an apartment, but yes, I'm still cool. I'm drinking this strawberry to tell me how you do. I'm on. And see, the boy can't stop. I had me a cup of red berry Ciroc. Shot of the Rossi, shot of the strawberry. This my second can. Hello, Mamacita. I roll blunts thicker than burritos. All about blood. No mosquito, all about cheese, like I'm eating Cheetos. No triangle, so I ain't fucking with Doritos. Here to let you know how I get it at the free throw. Anything that y'all feed me, I'ma eat, bro. What's my name? Shout it out.
Walker Boy.
Here to come and get it, that's me. I sting. W-E-R-K-O, Big Show, that's me. Anybody talking or really who do me? Yeah, 555 like I do the spin the room knee. Booker T, WrestleMania, I'm gonna order. Guarantee I'm gonna order 5999 59.99. Guarantee it's mine. I'll be up in here, chillin' with no visa. Probably has some rotelling. Probably order me a pizza. Chillin' with my dudes. Probably smoke a little reefer. Probably get some drinks, cause you know this how I get, bruh. The cut on the movie. Yep, the pay-per-view. Bring your donations if you want to see it too. I will accept check or even cash. Even if you got a car, hit the ATM right back. Hit me up, cause this is how it go. Sunday, 6 o'clock, guarantee we blow. Sitting there watching The Rock defeat John Cena. Watching The Undertaker beat The Rock. Punk seamless, senseless. Here to let you know I'm knocking teeth out like this boy, here's your dentist. And there's no pretending about to fire you like you was working at the Prentice. Now please get the bending. I'm something like a folder, swoop like a vulture. They say I don't know I'm black cause I don't know my culture, cause I'm light skinned. They say I'm light skinned, but I'm still pulling my chicks, so I'm doing right then. Here to let you know the color doesn't get me the pussy. And this tongue, don't be speak on the pussy. Let me go ahead, keep it quiet, and stop speak my business, cause I can have ladies calling ready to come and get it. But I'm not that dirty. Fuck!